In this video, we'll talk about lifestyle choices. Life is a game of choices, and you have to choose wisely. We should never forget that we have the right to pick our choices, but we don't have the right to decide the consequences of our decisions. Making the best personal decisions. The quality of your life depends on the quality of your choices. Whatever you're experiencing today is often a product of your previous investments. You can choose to have a culture of having a healthy lifestyle to protect your health both in the short term and long run. You should be more deliberate about the choices you make because they all have consequences, which can be either positive or negative. An adage says you are what you eat. Regardless of your perception of this statement, it's not far from the truth. Your choice of food and how you eat it affects several parts of your life, including your physique and overall health. Your choice to commit to a daily workout or the decision to stay off will also bring its consequences. Lifestyle choices. A lifestyle choice refers to a personal and deliberate decision to carry out a behavior that may decrease or increase the risk of disease or injury. For example, if you have decided to take a walk for 30 minutes every day, it's a lifestyle choice. In the same way, if you have made the decision to stay away from alcohol, it's a lifestyle choice that will promote your well-being and help you avoid damaging consequences. By deciding to avoid or reduce alcohol consumption, you are decreasing the chances of a car crash due to driving while drunk. Besides, the stigma that comes with being known as an alcoholic can take its toll on your mental health. Unhealthy lifestyle choices. Most of the lifestyle choices that have been mentioned so far are positive. However, there are negative ones too. Below are examples of unhealthy lifestyle choices. Smoking. An example of a negative lifestyle choice is smoking. It's a major risk factor for different cancers, including lung cancer. For example, the individuals around a smoker are also inhaling the smoke coming from the cigarette. If you smoke, you're not the only one at risk. The people around you are also at risk because they are passive smokers. Use of firearms. The use of a firearm is also a dangerous lifestyle choice. It's not safe, especially if you have issues with anger management. Indeed, it can help in self-defense, especially in states where they are legal. The fact that something is legal doesn't mean it is good for you. Seek other alternatives that can help you apart from it. Drug abuse. If you have a habit of taking drugs without a doctor's prescription or supervision, you are also playing a dangerous game. Therefore, when you consume them, they will affect your body in ways you might never know. Still, some drugs have devastating side effects, ranging from pregnancy complications to constipation. Some drugs, especially heroin and cannabis, can lead to addiction problems. So it is in your best interest to avoid experimenting with drugs. Therefore, it is in your best interest to trust their judgment when choosing to take or leave a drug. How to break free from harmful habits. The best way to break free from harmful habits is to avoid them. Prevention is always better than the cure. Your body likes it when you have a habit because it increases its efficiency. However, wrong lifestyle choices can have devastating consequences. It's challenging to break free from a negative habit. Nevertheless, it's possible. One of the best ways you can turn things around is by replacing them with the right ones. You can replace these habits with regular workouts or find a hobby. A hobby can improve your mood and make you excited, such that you will not need the high that cannabis offers. If you choose an activity that doesn't offer you the perks you enjoy from an unhealthy habit, the impact isn't likely to last. You'll still have the craving for calmness, and you may end up going back to the former unhealthy lifestyle choice. So take your time to ensure that you make a decision that will stand the test of time